guys, Ralph here. Right, I've got the Adman back in its box, back together. Kind of sad really, thinking about it. I mean, you look at these videos that people do online and you think, yeah, I could do that. If it's an old system, you just recap it, and yeah, it seems simple to do. There's not much components in there. But for the time, they were obviously really complex. There's a chip in there. Wow, a microchip, a silicon chip. But I do think this one's a little bit more terminal than I like to admit. But it does show there's a lot of good people out there who know exactly what they're doing and are really good at it. And my hat, tip, toth, whatever, doth my cap to use, all of you. I mean, this possibly was an easy fix. I don't know. But for me, nothing is easy, because I'm not an expert at this. So I did my best, tried a little bit. But if anybody wants this, honestly, I'm going to give it a week and I'll put it on eBay. If anybody wants this as a project to do themselves, if they look at these videos and think, he's missed that, what's he doing? Well, actually, probably most of you will think that anyway. But if you can see something, if you want it, fine. I'll send it to you, just pay for postage. I don't know. Just put us a message in the comments down below, or whichever way this video is orientated. But if not, then I'm going to start a new project, and I'll see you in that one. But thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe. I really should stop doing this on a piece of cardboard. It's ridiculous, isn't it? I mean, come on. I've got bloody computers upstairs. I could do stuff on this, but I'm sure I could. Maybe the next lot of videos will be how to do a video. How to make things, how to edit. That'd be good. But yeah, like, subscribe, share, comment. Please comment below, and let's see if we can get some more subscribers in. I think I've got nearly 50, and I'm really happy to have got that. I didn't realise I'd get even a couple, to be honest. My original channel that I just use for viewing videos and stuff on, that's only got 9. That doesn't really matter anything anyway. But this one, thank you very much for subscribing, and please spread a little bit of the word, and we'll see what we can do in the future. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on this video.